guys, welcome to episode 7 of ThatSmoothiGirl. Today we are going to be making the Doggy Smoothie. It comes from the book Superfood Smoothies by Julie Morris. I'll go ahead and link the book in the description below. I'm so excited about this smoothie. Dogs make me so happy, so I was very ecstatic when I found the Doggy Smoothie. It's a perfect drink for the dogs to enjoy while getting great benefits from it. For this recipe, we're going to need hemp powder, peanut butter, chai seeds, kale, and fresh bananas. First, we will use 1 tablespoon of our chai seeds. Next, you'll take 1 banana, peel, and cut into chunks for easy blending. Let's take our kale and chop until we have 2 cups. Now we will want to add 1 tablespoon of hemp powder. This really helps them get their essential fatty acids, which are good for their heart health and their mental health. To make your dog more intrigued, we'll add half a tablespoon of peanut butter. Last ingredient we will add is 1 cup of water. Blend until smooth so there's no chunks left. Finally, you'll grab your dog's bowl and pour the smoothie. We found that our dog enjoys it a little thicker, so after pouring, you'll place in the fridge for about a half an hour till it's thickened enough. How much you give your dog will depend on their age and their activity level. Our dog Tramp wasn't too sure about it at first, but as you can see here, after we let it thicken in the fridge for a little, he definitely enjoyed it a lot more. Feel free to let us know what your dogs think if you try this recipe out. I just wanted to thank everyone watching for all the support. If you guys like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notifications to see more videos like this. Don't forget to spoil your fur babies. We'll see you soon.